Microarrays, or also called DNA chips, are a small slide or membrane of chip where you put a slice of DNA from a specific person to analyze a certain number of genes.
But wait, doesn't that, like, cause problems? And, like, isn't it expensive?
Well, slightly, but it could save thousands of lives.
How?
It can carry out testing to predetermine diseases like cancer.
But then wouldn't that lead to genetic discrimination?
In some ways, but it's a risk people can take. They have the option to scan bits of their genes. It's purely voluntary. It's quick and efficient, and it's less expensive than, scanning their entire genome.
Well, what about, like, health risks?
It's non-toxic, non-radioactive, and user-friendly. I mean, you just gotta take a little sample from skin, saliva, anywhere that you would find DNA, and submit it.
What is, like, that's so confusing. How could that help us today?
How could that help us today?
Yeah.
Well, for example, you could compare a healthy tissue sample taken from somewhere on your body and compare it to somewhere where it could potentially have cancer. And you could predetermine that you have cancer and then be able to get treatment before it escalates to higher heights.
Whoa.
I know.
So, how do we get one of these?
You would have to do testing at a certified laboratory.
All right. Go get that done.
Okay, cut.
Scar tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view. And push me up against the wall.
Our topic is proteomics.
I'm scientist Julian Esparza.
Okay. We're going to ask some questions to get some info to you guys about proteomics. Okay. What is the definition of proteomics?
I'm glad you brought up that question. The definition of proteomics is the branch that studies the full set of proteins encoded by a genome.
Yes. Okay. Can proteomics be used in medicine?
Yes, they can. They play an important role in new drug discovery. Diagnostics and molecular medicine. They're more in diagnostics and molecular medicine because it's the link between genes, proteins, and diseases. Some of the best-selling drugs today are targeting proteins or are proteins themselves.
What are pros and cons of proteomics?
Well, it's interesting because proteomics are also used for milk and dairy products, like cheese and milk.
It's disgusting.
No, it's good.
And they can be used in cancer treatments.
Yes, they can.
Can I get that? What are some ethical issues of proteomics?
Some ethical issues of proteomics are patient rights, like issues of consent, and the rewards for patients should be minimal after they have done this.
That's all we have on proteomics.
Thank you for inviting me
Push
today.
up wrong, I'm falling all over myself to lick your heart in case you're here. 'Cause with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view.
Just start.
It's going.
So,
The crowd?
ask me a question.
Oh. What is the definition of proteomics?
The definition of proteomics is the branch that studies the full set of proteins encoded by a genome.
Can proteomics be used in medicine?
I have a call. Hello? No, Mom, I can't come home right now. No. Doing science project. Mom, please don't do it. Come on, Mom. No, Mom, please. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna have dinner for a week, so that's not very